Hello, welcome to the Smiley service. This is review number 390. This is iPad 11 Pro and 11-inch Pro third generation. So, what's wrong? And as you can see, after Apple developed the Type-C port charging, this has the issue a lot. The trace was broken and the iPad is not able to charge. What we fixed? Well, this is the replacement of the charging port. Thankfully, it was removable. Some model is not removable. You need to solder and resolder it. This after fixing it. If you have the issue, your iPad is not charging, feel free to contact us at this Smiley service for the system. And see you on the next video. Bye bye.